now. I think we're probably going to do a little cathedral tour, maybe it's Worcester and Gloucester. But first of all, breakfast. Well, breakfast has arrived. It looks very, very good, all nicely pre-packaged, all in accordance with our order last night. Far more importantly, coffee. Wow, I'm stuffed now. I will certainly not be having lunch, so I hope you weren't expecting a food tour. It's turned into a nice pleasant day. We're driving down to Worcester. We're going to go and try and see Worcester Cathedral. That is the burial place of King John of Magna Carta fame. Sun is shining, roof is down. We're currently on the M6. It's all good. Well, we've made it to Worcester. It's an absolutely beautiful sunny day. Let's head off to the cathedral and we'll see what it's like. Worcester Cathedral. What a beautiful place that was. The highlight obviously being the tomb of King John. Now on to Gloucester. we've made the short journey down from Gloucester and we've arrived at our hotel in Bristol. We've been out for a lovely Indian meal tonight, and we're going to call it a night now, so I'll raise a glass of gin to you. Tomorrow we're off to the SS Great Britain in Bristol, and we will see you all tomorrow. Good night.